Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another quick tutorial, and today we're going to learn how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. And before we get into this, I just want to say if this video does help you today, please consider dropping a super like or engaging in this video in any way, as it really does help me out. But let's get right into it. The easiest way to do this is to go to a direct link because they make it impossible to find. I will put that link in the description of this video for you to click. When you click it, you're going to have to log into your Facebook account. And then you'll have these options. If you want to temporarily deactivate, go deactivate. If you want to delete, go delete. I assume you want to delete, so that's why you're here. So we're going to delete our account today. Hit continue. Now, here you're going to get these options. You can download your information, you can transfer your info, and you can deactivate your Messenger. You can deactivate your account instead if you want to keep Messenger. That's another option, but again, we want to delete, so we're going to ignore this, and we're just going to hit delete account. Make sure you're deleting password to confirm. You're going to hit continue, and it'll give for 30 days. So you have 30 days to reactivate. After go ahead and delete our account. And it will load, and your account will be deleted. Again, 30 days to change. Video helped you guys. You know what to do. Peace.